Hello everybody, it's Charlie's Trains. We have a steam locomotive from Lionel, 2755 8-wheeler, pulling Chesapeake in Ohio, coal tender, and New Haven passenger cars. Everything's looking good. It's coming around here. You'll see it come around the curve here, getting ready to go around the roundhouse. And if you would, please subscribe to me on YouTube. It's Charlie's with apostrophe S Trains, and it's 9169. I appreciate it. Everything's looking good. Went past the Victoria train station underneath the ramp where the people are waiting to get the next train coming around. Everything's looking good. Here it is, coming around the roundhouse again. Going past the Fairy Land on the back side of it. I hope everybody enjoys this video, and thank you for watching.